Like what you see? Well, guess what? I was just getting ready to take that out because today it is trash day. So we're going to start with the litter box and all the other garbages throughout our mobile home estate here and take it to yonder dumpster. So let's start with the old shit box. Alright, just gotta get this off. Fuck, it's foul, it's wet, and it's heavy today. As in every Thursday. Alright, my favorite part of the day, taking a big old dump. Oh, that's foul. It smells like ammonia. Alright, next is the kitchen trash here. Oh, this is some foul stuff right here. Just take it, drop it. The next two trashes we got are the bedroom and bathroom trash right over there. So come on. The bathroom's right over here, and that's the next trash to take care of right over here. Let's get this. I always hear about people don't know how to take out the trash. You know, guys, take out the trash. You're always making a mess out of things. Who fucking knows, man? Alright. Well, next is my bedroom trash can. The classic bachelor's trash can. Empty lotion and tissues. I lead a very sad and lonely life. Side trashes. The living room. The trash of the masturbatorium. Ew. And the bathroom trash, complete with beer cans. Great. But I'm not done yet. I got to do the garage. Come on. Help me out here. Alright, into the garage. What a fucking mess. What the hell has Cousin Dave been doing in here? There's nothing but a bunch of beer cans and fucking underwear lying around here. He doesn't even live here. He's like the shittiest roommate I've never fucking wanted. What the fuck? God damn it. The perfect amount of trash for a Tuesday afternoon. Done. Ready for the trash man tomorrow morning. Come on, folks. Well, thanks for helping me take out the trash today, everyone. I hope you learned a little bit of something about cleanliness. What is that smell? What does it smell like shit? Fuck! It's all over! There's just cat shit all over the place! God damn it! Fuck! Well, that's the end of our show today, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit on that subscribe button down there. And if you've stepped in shit before on the comment section, give me a story about it. I want to hear it. And if you want to ruin someone's weekend today, take this video and share it with them. But other than that, have a great weekend.
Howdy, y'all. Cousin Dave here. Oh, you probably can't hear me. Howdy, y'all. Cousin Dave here, and we're going to be doing a little bit of talk about masks. We all having to wear them, and so you might as well deal with them, right? Now, one of the biggest problems is most places you go in, they're mighty stringent, mighty strict about what kind of mask you can use. I know my common law wife tried to go into a very nice cannabis establishment here in town, and they would not allow her very nicely crafted napkin-made mask. Now, other examples are you should never use a living thing as a mask. Hey, Cubert, come on in here. Cubert? Yep. Now, my youngest son, Cubert, he made the mistake because he didn't have his mask at the time, and so he got done attacked by a cat that he tried to use as a mask. Did not amuse the cat at all. Cubert, you can head on out now. Thank you, boy. He just turned 7 years old. He's a good boy. I probably should cut down on them cartoon multivitamin gummies on him. Anyway, his older brother, Gallagher, by the way, he made the mistake of something that used to be living. He found something on the road. It weren't alive, so he figured he could use it as a mask. Unfortunately, it was a roadkill skunk, and he's been in quarantine ever since. It ain't got nothing to do with COVID. Now, the big thing is you got to make sure that you are good and sealed to get the COVID away. Now, one of the things I like to do is use aluminum foil because, as we all know, the COVID cannot get through the aluminum foil. And in some ways, while you're at it, you can coat your hat with it down to your ears, you see, just like this. That way, and the alien brainwaves can't get to you either. Pretty handy, right? Now, of course, we need to seal these all in. We got to do at least one mask. I got my main one. Yeah, then you got to get one of these little elasticy ones. That'll help quite a bit. There we go. Get that. Get them loops over these tin foil and keep it down there. Now, let's see here. We also are encouraged to use surgical masks. So you make sure you put the surgical on top of it. So that's got it. And one more of these, that's got a little character to it. So you do get it removed, and you got that on top of it. Now on top of that, you can always use a bandana. Bandanas are mighty useful, and they can protect the lower areas of your neck and mouth from the COVID. Now, if you use that, put yourself another layer, aluminum foil, and then you give yourself just a little bit of air hole, and you seal it all in with plastic wrap. And that will make sure that the COVID cannot get to you if you ever get tight. And you come to me, tell you stay today.